Introducing Synaptic's Patient Concierge Agent for Healthcare. Conversational search has elevated patient expectations, and why shouldn't they expect a hospital website to be as good as their shopping experience? Unfortunately, building a virtual agent for large healthcare organizations is challenging due to the number of hospitals, clinics, and facilities, each with unique information like hours, services, and policies. Keeping this data accurate and up-to-date across hundreds of locations can be overwhelming, especially if information is duplicated in multiple systems. Creating separate knowledge bases for virtual agents leads to extra work and a higher risk of inconsistencies. The better approach is to use the information directly from existing websites, ensuring the agent always provides accurate, up-to-date answers without adding administrative burden. This is exactly what Patient Concierge is designed to do. Synaptic's Patient Concierge AI agent is a conversational assistant that attaches directly to a healthcare provider's website, giving patients a modern, engaging, and smarter way to get their questions answered. Leveraging Synaptic's Web Scout, the Patient Concierge pulls directly from existing knowledge sources such as public websites, so that it is easy to manage and always current. This provides a unified experience for your patients and eliminates the need for costly efforts to consolidate data sources. Built on Agentforce, the Patient Concierge also provides a secure platform that can be used over time to enable patients to take direct actions, including booking appointments, speaking with human agents, and handling pre- or post-visit forms. Patients deserve and expect better. With Patient Concierge, you can take a major step forward for your patients. Here is a clip of Mark Miller, Synaptic's Senior Director of Enterprise and Agents, demonstrating a specific use case leveraging Synaptic's Web Scout and Orlando Health's actual public website.
Hello, Mark Miller here with Synaptic. I'm going to show you today the Patient Concierge leveraging Web Scout functionality. So let me go ahead and type in my question here while I explain what's going on. I need some weight loss options. I'm gonna keep it super generic here. So in the healthcare world, this is really challenging to manage all these silos of information for different hospitals. As we discussed in the previous slides, one of the challenges of deploying these agents is managing all these disparate sources of information. This is automatically understanding context, going to the website that's appropriate and grabbing the right information that can span multiple kind of silos of information. So this pieces of information are all contained in various places throughout their website. So you can see there's, information about bariatric surgery, endoscopic procedures, weight loss medication. These are all over the board for different hospitals, including specific websites that could be pointed to with Web Scout for various healthcare hospitals that are specific. So Jewett Hospital is a part of Orlando Health, as an example. If they've got information about bariatric surgery, if we pointed at the Jewett Hospital website, it would gather that automatically. Let me go ahead and ask a more specific question. I live near Jewett, do they accept Humana commercial insurance? So again, this is just an example of me leveraging Web Scout to go in and ask a very specific question of an isolated website, and let's see how it returns the information. What it's going to do is actually go to the health portal and find out. It's going to look at two different websites, right? The health portal and the Jewett Hospital to figure out, they accept at this hospital, they accept these Humana insurances. It goes on to give it an important note and says, hey, you ought to contact Humana just to verify that the procedure having done is covered. This, because it's an Agentforce, could handle normal transitions. So I could actually, set up an action to book an appointment straight from here, or, even give an authenticated experience if we're displaying this on the patient portal, right? So find out more at synaptic.build, and happy to discuss your personal use case and understand what we can do with Web Scout and Patient Concierge.
Thanks, Mark. Okay, so to recap, the key benefits of Synaptic's Patient Concierge agent include the introduction of a conversational AI agent to provide a better overall experience, consolidation of informational results across your distributed digital enterprise or web assets, removal of the overhead of maintaining multiple knowledge bases, more personalized, contextual, and intuitive informational experience resulting in higher patient and staff satisfaction. Thank you for listening. If you are interested in Synaptic's Patient Concierge, want to explore the other agents in our catalog, or learn about our agent on demand offering, come check us out at synaptic.build/agents.